In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Clickfunnels. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank workspace to a fully functioning landing page you can start using right away. First, from inside your Clickfunnels workspace, look to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the option labeled Landing Pages and click it. If you don't see landing pages there yet, that just means the app hasn't been added to your workspace. In that case, click on the option that says Add Apps, then scroll through the available apps until you find landing pages, and select Add App. Once it's added, you'll be able to open the Landing Pages dashboard. With the Landing Pages app open, you'll see a dashboard where all your pages will live. To start a brand new one, go to the top right corner and click the New Landing Page button. This opens the setup flow for creating your page. Next, you'll choose a template. Clickfunnels offers a variety of templates, including opt-in pages for collecting leads, thank you pages for after someone signs up, and other layouts. Take a moment to scroll through and pick the one that matches the goal of your page. It's important to note that while you might see order-style templates, landing pages in this section are not really meant for full product checkout experiences. For direct product sales and more complex flows, it's better to build a funnel instead. After choosing a template, you'll be asked to fill in a few key details about your page. Start with the page name. This is just for your workspace, so choose something descriptive enough that you can recognize it later. Then, you'll see a field for AI instructions. Here, briefly describe what this landing page is for, such as collecting leads for a webinar or promoting a free guide. This helps Clickfunnels generate some starting content tailored to your purpose. Next is the page URL. This is the part of the web address that comes after your main domain. Type in something short and clear. If the path you want is already taken, Clickfunnels will suggest alternatives. You'll also be able to choose a style, which is your global design theme. Pick a style that matches your brand colors and typography so all your pages feel consistent. You'll also see an area for SEO and sharing. This is where you set the page title and description that appear in search results and when your link is shared on social media. You can also decide whether you want search engines to index this page or keep it more hidden. Taking a moment to write a clear title and description can really help with discoverability later. Once you're happy with all these settings, click Create Page. Clickfunnels will generate your new page and open it in the editor. This is where you'll customize everything to fit your message and brand. Inside the editor, start by editing the headline and any supporting text so it speaks directly to your audience and clearly explains the benefit of your offer. Then, add or adjust any forms to capture the information you need, such as names and email addresses. Make sure your form fields are simple so people are more likely to complete them. You can also insert images, videos, or other media to make the page more engaging. For example, a short video explaining your offer or a relevant image can help build trust and interest. Adjust the colors and fonts to align with your brand guidelines so visitors immediately recognize your style. If you want to automate what happens after someone opts in, look for quick actions. These can trigger things like sending a confirmation email or adding the contact to a specific list. Setting these up ensures leads don't fall through the cracks. Finally, revisit the SEO settings within the editor to make sure your keywords, title, and description are aligned with what people might search for. When everything looks good, save your changes and publish the page. You now have a fully customized Clickfunnels landing page ready to share with your audience.